Hi people, I'm right here in Hersonissos. Oh my god, it's crazy over here. Like the music is just cool. The beach is right here with us. Oh my god, sorry. That's the beach. Oh, it's very dark. You can't see. Yeah, you see maybe. That's it. So I'm just here having some dinner and it's just fun, I can say. Up here is the restaurant part. I just had some food, really good food. If you come to Greece, please make sure you just eat seafood. Seafood is fresh, like you can see. Oh, it's crazy. Seafood is really cheap. There I have some salad. Oh my goodness, isn't this cool? Yeah, I'm gonna spend the night here. It's gonna be so fun. Can't wait. And you just hear the party, the music and everything. It's fun. Don't mind about my voice. I'm getting some cold. So that's why. Thank you for watching and goodbye.